David again from FG Barnes, Vauxhall in Guildford. I just wanted to present to you this amazing Vivaro, award-winning Vivaro E, which we have in our stock at the moment, available for the unbelievable price of $29,898, as we can see in there. So that's a saving, including VAT, of £17,721. So just highlight some of the specification and features of it as I wander around. So vehicles in Kaolin white, excellent colour, obviously very popular throughout the commercial world. Twin sliding doors, so sliding door in each side, drivers and passengers, really useful. This is a long wheelbase version, so the H2. Extremely useful when carrying obviously longer equipment. So moving to the back of the vehicle, we've got rear parking sensors inset into the bumper, and we also have a rear parking camera which is inset into the bit of trim there. Opening the rear doors, you can see a phenomenal condition. Rear of the vehicle, as you can see, we've got slightly raised areas to put load in. Doors are easy open, an excellent space. Moving round to the passenger side. So again, we've got the standard sliding door on this side. Moving to the very front of the vehicle. So the door trim gives a plethora of different places to store our equipment in there. And there's inset speakers in there as well. Plus obviously the obligatory electric window switch. We've got a dual front seat, rubber flooring throughout, and again more storage areas within the dash itself. The driver's seat, for information, has an adjustable armrest on there, really useful for long journeys. So moving back to the front of the vehicle, and round to the driver's side. So driver's door trim, again, a lot of cubicle, a lot of area to store our equipment. We have a mirror adjustment and the electric front window switches on there, and again an inset speaker in there. Now the driver's seat benefits from a heated element, so it's 3 heat settings within there. Very useful on the cold and wintry days. We have 2 keys, obviously, for the vehicle. Stepping in, just put a little bit of power on. So you can see there, dash is all illuminated, showing the vehicle's current status. And this extraordinarily good, easy to read dials within that cubicle there itself. Got more storage on the top there. And then we have our music oblique infotainment system. So you can see there we've got a number of options to connect our phone to the system. So Bluetooth or through Android Auto, Mirror Link, which is basically Apple CarPlay in the center there. Once the phone is connected onto there. Moving down, we have the obligatory air conditioning system. A number of controls there to lock the vehicle, to unlock the rear of the vehicle, but obviously keep the front locked should one wish to do that. USB connectivity and a 12-volt socket. The drive mode selection switch and the gear selector switch. And then finally the electronic handbrake switch. I do hope this is of interest. Be delighted to hear from you. This is the only vehicle we have at this price, so a bargain in itself. My telephone number is 01483 885 885. So that's David at FG Barnes. Guildford 01483 885 885. If you prefer to email me, the email address is david.loynes@barnes-group.co.uk. So david.loynes, Loynes, at barnes-group.co.uk. Thank you very much indeed. Bye-bye.